What's going on, YouTube? So today we got some shit going on. I haven't done videos in a minute, but you know, there's some shit that's been going on. Personally, I just had some shit happen to my truck. Took it over to a shop to get it checked out because it had a misfire. The misfire turned over into a rod knock that I kind of already saw coming, but I was hoping it came later, not sooner, but it came sooner. Anyways, we gotta go over to this shop and we're gonna get some work started. So let's go. All right, so we're getting ready to remove the engine off of the Blazer, cause about to get some goodies, huh?
That's right. That one in the brown.
About to pull an all-nighter on this motherfucker tonight. Huh?
Not too.
Nah, only a couple hours. Alright, y'all, it's a late night party up in here, and we're about to get this motherfucker out. We're about probably a quarter ways to getting the motor out. What's up, are we taking it out today or what? Tonight, I mean.
15 minutes, dog, 15 minutes.
Shit. Alright, I know I haven't talked about this dude much. I kind of just met him. Somebody recommended him to me, so I hit him up and you know, we started talking. We've been talking for a minute. This truck has been here for a couple weeks already. I haven't gotten any work done because I've been out of work, especially with that whole accident that I had. It set me back real bad, so we're barely getting out here, and my truck, it just started tripping. I actually brought it out here because it had a misfire, and it ended up staying here because it ended up with a rod knock. So yeah, I mean, that was kind of unpredictable, but right now we're on the road to 500 horsepower, so we'll see. These dudes they're about to throw it down. Matter of fact, now that we're right here, I'm gonna show you guys some of the projects that they got so you guys could check them out. Okay, currently I know you guys can't see too well, but they got this G8 that they're actually building the motor. They're gonna do also, you can't see it too well, I'll probably record it tomorrow, but they're also doing a stroker kit on this. This one I have no idea, but it has a sick ass motor. I think it's a LS3 or something. I'm not even sure about this one. They got this drift car right here. What is this? It's a Genesis, and if you didn't know, they lit. And Old Faithful right here, it's been lightweight and neglected. Like, I haven't done shit. I've got so much shit that I got for this. I'm gonna do the GT40 heads. I got new valves, springs. I need new cams. I need new lifters, push rods, roller rockers to finish the top end, and I'm eventually gonna go with a turbo on this, but because the Trailblazer happened, yeah, it's gonna get pushed to the side. They also got this CTS-V. I don't know exactly what's gonna go down with this one. This is the block for the G8. They just took it apart. I think this block is for this car. This car is turbo. It's a turbo Impala with like fucking deuces. Deuce. Also got this this Lightning. So this is gonna get This is gonna get a rebuild also, manly pistons, manly rods. I'm not sure exactly how far they're gonna go with this, but I think the motor's already taken apart. And yeah, look, there's all the shit for this truck. And this right here, this is my boy's fucking drift car. He's trying to go Formula Drift. He's trying to get licensed for Formula Drift. He's got this little badass thing going on right here. If I'm not mistaken, I think he said this was making 700 horsepower. But it's already ready for drift. It's got angle kit. And yeah, here I am right here. We're shooting for 500, right?
Like 8-9. So you want to push?
Probably somewhere around there. We start with 500, but we've been talking about this fucking build so goddamn much that we're gonna fuck around and end up with 1,000. Shit.
Where's the 1,000 block? Right there.
That one right there. Oh yeah, this one. This one right here is gonna. This one right here is gonna make 1,000. It was making 800 when it came in, and it's gonna end up. This is the one that I was telling you guys with the G8. So this is gonna be a good build. If you guys are interested in this one, I'll talk to this guy, see if we can put this more on the channel. So be on the lookout. Teamwork made the dream work.
You see how long that extension is, dog?
Oh yeah, let's see that shit.
Yeah, that's what, 20 something inches?
Like 20 fucking feet.
Ahí está, baba. The G8. Power by snap on. Ready, Bob?
Just about ready to pull this bitch out.
Can you go one more? No, that's it. A little bit.
Alright y'all, so I missed the entire pulling the engine from the fucking engine bay. But yeah, here it is, it's in the air. Now we're just gonna take off the flex plate and throw it on the jack stand right quick. And then tomorrow we're gonna end up we're gonna come back and take it all apart. Hopefully tomorrow. We'll see. And one thing we were talking about is,
Good job. Is this cool?
one thing we were talking about is that the last shop that was doing this, the last shop that actually did the cam swap, we're not gonna talk too much about them yet, but we're gonna tear down the fucking engine and see if everything that I asked for to be done was actually done. But yeah. All right, y'all, that's the end of this one. Thanks for watching, and you guys stay tuned because I really don't know what exactly is gonna go down with this truck. This is kind of a sudden. So now that the motor has to be completely rebuilt, something's gonna go down. Not exactly sure, but make sure you guys follow me for this upcoming build. Later.